There is a topic called personal transformation. We all want to be the best version of ourselves. So let's say Ajay Tyagi 2.0 or X 2.0. So what happens in this journey? Let's understand the nitty-gritty of this topic. Let's say I'm here and I want to be at this level. So this is my current level and this is my version 2.0. And to make this version, I make some commitment to myself to change some habit, and it will lead me to this new version. Take example, let's say I decided that I will not shout at anybody. What will happen? I committed that not shouting will lead me to this level. But something happened and I shouted at somebody. What will happen now? I will come to the same level. And I will give all the reasons, all justifications that this was expected in this situation. This is right. But you are at the same level when you started. So what to do to not to repeat the mistake which you committed to yourself? This is where the problem lies. What happens when you do the mistake? Instead of feeling the guilt, we start justifying our behavior. We give reasons why it was expected, why it was required. But if you realize that this is all reasons keeping aside, you are not leading to your next version, what you need to do? You need to analyze and do some course correction so that you don't do it again. In olden time, it used to known as प्रायश्चित. आप गलती करते हैं और अगले 10 days you do something, you deprive yourself from your best favorite thing. Now for next 10 days, for example, let's say you decided that I will not eat my favorite food. So every day you remind why I'm not eating my favorite food. So this 10 days of prashit, when you get out of it and you do the same, about to do the same mistake again, it will remind you last 10 days and you will not do the mistake again. And you are here right now. Now people will forget this image and they will remember you at this level. This journey takes time. It requires commitment to yourself, and this is where you can go to next level. So this is your personal transformation. It is also known as personal kaizen in manufacturing language, process improvement, continuous improvement. I hope you like this video. If you like it, you can share and subscribe in your network, and I'll be coming with new topic next time soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.